Welcome to today's Mobility Everyday video, and this is a beginner series for spine flow. We'll start gently by doing small moves and gradually building up to bigger spinal movements. Coming down onto the mat, bend your knees and sit comfortably with your spine stacked up on your pelvis and start to curl your spine and gently arch your spine back. We are starting with a gentle wave forward. Take it very slow. Arch slightly forward and naturally just let your spine curl back. Feel the motion of the spine as if it's going through each vertebra at a time here. Feeling it getting a little bit more fluid. Allow yourself to also feel how your spine is beginning to move a little bit more and more. And just let the rhythm slowly pick up. Keeping your spine straight now, you're going to bend one leg and keep the other leg straight and alternately bend one at a time. Note that the leg that is straight is to be flexed so that we lengthen out the hamstrings as much as possible. Long hamstrings help us to also lengthen out our lower back. Always remember that. If you like, you can also sit up on a block while doing this. Now put your hand on the outside of the bent leg and just look diagonally across. Arching the spine a little bit. We are arching the spine in a crossover position. Opening up the ribs at the side, opening up the chest. And also, when you open up the spine at this diagonal angle, we're able to then feel the tightness more and release more knots. Bending one leg and arching from the side of the bent leg helps us to arch the spine more. Continue with the same leg movement, but keep the body frontal now. Curl your spine as you transition. And as you bend the leg again, you arch the spine, all facing forward. You can exhale when you curl, inhale when you arch, and lift the rib cage higher and bring the spine more upright. Begin to feel the connection between the legs and the spine here. Do it slowly. Find your rhythm within. Now we're going to go into bigger spinal arch and curl. Bend forward, curl, and try to reach your body downwards. Bring your arms back, arching back here and looking up to the sky with your rib cage open as much as possible. Bending forward, curling, arching back, extending, opening up the chest, the rib cage and the front body. Bending forward, curling, scoop your belly in, arching back, opening up the chest to the sky. Exhale, bend forward, curl. And inhale, going backwards, opening the chest. If you like, you can also integrate the movement of the feet here. As you bend forward, you flex your feet. That will really lengthen up the hamstrings. As you arch back, you point to further lengthen up the front body. Keeping to the same leg movement, bending one leg while keeping the other straight. We are going to spiral the spine to one side and gently bend forward on the same side. Yes, we will feel the side of our spine really opening up here slowly. You don't need to try to go too low. Come back up and try to go down again. You will allow your spine to go a little bit further each time, finding a little bit more comfort as you bend forward more. Again, bending the leg here helps us to curl the spine forward a little bit more. It will require a little less effort, just in case you're wondering why do we need to bend the leg. Change side here. So here, start to spiral your spine first, and then bend it forward, but in a spiraling angle. You probably feel you won't be able to go forward much. It's okay. The point is not to go forward very much, but to open up the spine, feeling the relief from the tightness, and allowing your spine to melt down little by little, but also more and more. You can exhale as you bend forward and slowly inhale to come back up. Put your legs in diamond shape here, arching and slowly curling back. Over here, we are also opening up the hips as we arch forward, bringing the spine down. In this diamond-shaped legs position, we're definitely getting to the hip joints. Curl back and arch up, breathing in. Lengthening the arms forward and sweep it back. Because we are going into a bigger motion, if you like. Curl down, reach your arm forward, sweep it sideways and back into an arch. Now from here, keep your arms open and extended and just fold forward into a curl and back up into an upright spine. Keep your palms facing up, roll your shoulders back as you do that. We are going also into shoulder opening because when our shoulders open, our spine will find it easier to stay upright. Arching, looking diagonally up and curling down deeper. Keeping your arms extended, elbows as straight as you can. Fingers reaching to the back, curling down, arching up. Just go to as slow as you feel you're able to and arching for as much as you're able to. Need not try to push too hard. And bring your legs slightly to the front, arms slightly to the back. We're going to start to shift the pelvis back and forth. Now this requires a bit more arm strength, but it can only be good for us. Shifting the body weight or the pelvis back and forth will begin to also deepen the shoulder stretch and the shoulder roll. Gently also building our arm strength And now stay with your spine and the pelvis forward. Wriggle to the side a little bit. Wriggle to the right, to the left a little bit. Have your legs a bit more forward now. You will feel the stretch deepening while you do a very gentle wriggling, because the gentle wriggling gets into the secret hiding places of the tightness. Now put your pelvis down, settle into the deep stretch of your extended shoulders. Take a deep breath and slowly come back up. Interlace your fingers, straighten your elbows as much as you can, bend forward into a curl, reach your elbows down into an arch. Scoop your belly in so that you can curl down more. Lift your chest higher so that you can arch your spine more. Go with the breath to really feel, okay? So from here, you're going to exhale as you curl down forward. Inhale, opening the ribs, the chest looking diagonally up. Again, exhale, curling down, scooping your belly in. Inhale, opening up the chest, extending your shoulders and your arms to the back. Extend it as far as you can, arching the spine. And this is a very comfortable flow to do for beginners. Vary your range of motion. So you can start with small range of motion first and gradually do it a little bit bigger. No need to push, no need to rush. That is all I have. So thank you very much for being with me, moving with me. I appreciate if you could like, share, subscribe. It will really motivate me to do more mobility videos to help everyone. And with that, I want to say keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. See you very soon in the next video. Take care and have a lovely day.